Alright, update. Fucked up. Got the wrong piston. So I'm out of commission for a little while. Got all my new parts though. Shit ton of head gaskets, rubber gaskets too. Actually works, by the way. You ever need a gasket on point, you get an inner tube. But yeah, I got a number 4 piston when I think this might be I'm not sure, it might be a number 5. But yeah, here's the blown up piston, and here's the replacement. Not sure, but feels kind of wasted there. New carburetor plus, no, this is the old one. Got a speed carburetor. Don't know, let me see if I can get that to show. Well, anyway, it's got speed on the side right there. But yeah, new muffler. Came in the mail yesterday. Chrome. What else we got to go over? Pretty much same as last time. Nothing too different. I got some circuit switches coming to replace this homemade one. But nothing new. Also, upcoming for sale is this bad boy, Spalding blade. It's actually a vintage bike, kind of expensive, but I don't want to jack the price up too much on it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put a kit on there, soup it up, whatever you want to call it. I got the handlebars outside. Probably, maybe gonna switch the seat out. This is an old Mongo seat. I'll buy a new saddle for it. But yeah, probably don't have any subscribers, but anybody in the Dallas area looking for one, it'll be for sale by springtime. I'm probably gonna start kicking them off. 28-inch wheels. So yeah, guess that's pretty much it. Alright, YouTube.